This video will show you how to put up a cover for the Japanese maple. So I'm using this is about 30% and a double layer. It will block the sun about 30%, and I use double layer. So this is one basically like blocking 60% right now. So I started out with one layer, but didn't seem like help much because I have concrete here, and during summer it's really hot. So the idea is to leverage the pole from the fans, and I use the 2x2x8, and I just make it like an L shape, because the original plan would just to have the inside only, like an L cover all the way down to that end. So I make it up like an L and have a support beam. I use deck screws, and that way each of the posts on the fans I have an L coming out basically. And then I just put some support 2x1x8 on top. It does the job well, but for longer term, I would recommend doing 2x4x8 instead. It give it more bigger pole. Plus, there's no wind here because I have everything pretty much blocked. Because I have fans and the wall from the house and stuff. So in an open area, you might want to use a bigger wood. But the idea is basically have the support beam if you want to have it bigger. I don't have it nailed to the ground. I just have the one that nailed to the wall, the fence here. And that would be it. And I use it like basically just 2 screws, one on the bottom and then one on the top for each of the pole. That's it. Pretty simple setup. So far it hold up pretty well, and it works out pretty well. I might peel it off one layer because I think it blocks 60% is quite a bit. Okay, hope it helped. If you have any question, let me know. Oh, I want to show you one thing though. The red leaves is actually from the sun, and you can see inside where the leaf is a little green because it's not as hot. So you can see the difference. Okay. It's not as red because in the shade, and outside is a lot more red because this is the heat from the sun. All right.